Salespeople often store leads in Excel and carefully decide whom to call based on timing and priority. But once they decide, they face a frustrating process: unlocking their phone, opening the dialer, and manually typing each number. This brief moment creates a zone of distraction where notifications and social media tempt them away, breaking their calling flow. For someone making 50 calls a day, this distraction happens 50 times, seriously impacting focus and efficiency. Humans enjoy challenging tasks, but struggle with simple, repetitive ones like updating CRMs or following up consistently. These small tasks demand effort and often lead to procrastination or distraction, making it hard to maintain productivity throughout the day. Calltica eliminates this friction by embedding a one-click call button directly in Excel or web leads. With a single click, the call instantly triggers on the mobile phone. No manual dialing, no app switching, no distractions. This seamless integration keeps the salesperson in the flow and focused on what matters. The result? More calls per hour, better focus, higher productivity, and improved conversions. Simply put, Calltica removes the gap between decision and action.